My name is Aaron B.
And my name is Becca Blaze.
And as we earlier told now, say after 40 years we will get somebody when be inspiration, not just to the youth, but more like a motivation to the country, because now few individuals when they represent Nigeria for international stage and they bring the good light, the positivity enter we country. Her name is Toby Amuson. I hope I get the pronunciation correctly, right? I get that correctly.
Try.
I don't want to say she come from the town where you get one of the best Gary.
Ijebu.
Ijebu. She be our sister and she don't represent us and make us proud. Since she entered sport a few years ago, and of recent, she also set world record, if I did correct. And since then, she don't be hope to many, not just young girls, but both male and female. There. Welcome, my sister.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay. Now, Pidgin, you sabi speak Pidgin now.
I sabi now. Sure.
I don't see your face already now. Pidgin full on, so sure. I'm gonna do like that.
Oh yeah, now, so for those who never know who Toby Amuson be, you feel do proper introduction of yourself before we enter the other arrangement. My name is Toby Amuson, and I'm going to get the current world record for 100-meter hurdles. I come from Ijebu, Ogun State. That's finish.
Go me. but I really like to know how before you run that race, you don't get the feeling say you go set world record, talk less to even win the race.
I've been getting mindset say I won't go win.
Okay.
That world record not just bonus, but I get them for myself, I won't break them. Cause I don't do them for practice. I just.
Oh, you don't.
No, be say rehearsal. I don't do the the times for practice.
Oh.
Where I know say okay, if I do this, do that, I go feel break them. But I don't want to go into competition. They expect say I won't break or record. I just won't win. So. Basically. So talking about this practice now, how your training process they be, because for some people they just feel okay, don't be Amazon, they just go gym, lift one weight or two, then from there
just stretch leg.
You understand? You they shop akpu, they shop fufu join your training. How your training processes be? Training, so that we go know. Training are dead though. Training are dead. But guys won't be. We gotta show up every day because you know what they work towards. So
okay.
Now the motivation be that you get goals, so you guys wake up to pursue them.
Just a quick one, because I think a few days ago I see for news say you actually be borrow $50,000 loan for 2022 World Championship. Now really true?
I open go fund me for me now. So we go quick pay back this loan.
But for real, you really borrow. So what is going to be the role of Nigeria Athletic?
I will take another question.
But you represent the country, so you dare expect to say, oh, okay, let's say me I not talking about her. Oh, wow. Okay, but you go sharp pay the money, but we'll help you pay.
We go pay. We go pay.
That really we don't include us. Okay, we'll move to other arrangement right now. Just as I talk, you be inspiration to the young ones inside the country right now. And since you fall back to the country, we see all your movement and activities. How you go say you plan to even inspire more people, or because we just in the past people when they attain the level when they will come back, maybe set up a foundation, do something to make more people they included for which they excelling. Because for you to excel in some certain things, it always be good motivation if you see somebody they do already. But some certain things today on ground for you to fit inspire people like that.
Definitely. We get Toby Abiola Foundation where we start this year.
Toby Abiola.
Okay. Why it shock you? Toby Abiola Foundation, sure.
No, I don't
know. No, the Abiola is the thing. So where the Abiola they come from? So now the Abiola stand for this one.
Okay. Abiola, well done, bros. Okay. So collabo between you and another individual.
Okay. As money no deal, no do a conjunction.
The question won't be try avoid. I go last come. For every win when you win, there is always a prize.
Definitely.
So the money when you win for the 100 hurdles, like I don't know. I just asked a layman question right now. How much be the money?
You want how much be the money? You won't collect from. No worry, when you enter my account, you will let her know.
So that money when you win since then they never give you now.
Sure, now that they pay everybody. Hey, this sister don't go finish me.
But anyway, when the money cannot give Nigeria government, not share with them. I beg.
All right. This one they outside the question from the one people say they give us. But we know say when after you don't win this record, you get one young man. We be say he tackle you. You know, we have to organize the whole thing. So when this young man, waiting be that in name, I don't forget. One sport person come out, come talk one or two things.
The world record not legit. The time not
so when this man come out, talk the one way we say one talk from your mouth, how that young make you feel?
I make me feel. I not go the next one, go run another one. Sure. Person they that you know, sure I say if you do one twice.
Just to prove them wrong. Yeah, sure. But since then, don't shut up now, Sha. Even before he shut up, we don't give him back to back Nigeria. We they represent, he collect for a page now. He go off comments now. Never say anything. Now, apart from say Brume and other Nigerians, so they do amazing thing just the same way you do right now. How you go say it don't day for you to take navigate the world of sport? Now, whether we like or not, Nigeria not they really not just if they take sport as priority the way other countries they do, you get, because if you check other countries they discover a lot of talent, sport in general, whether not basketball, athletics or football, even the one who they manage say will be they take without the neglect and one kind because of politics or the rest. But for you, how you think they navigate the world of sport when it make you reach where you do currently right now?
I've talked say about Nigeria, maybe I've not born like to Richard now.
But I'll drop 3. Yeah.
But then what I feel like say the few do now, you know, they set up educational facilities. We go hand in hand with the sport, and then they make sure say when they want host competitions, you know, just they centered around now just for fun. People just come watch, make noise.
Maybe to talent.
Exactly. You know, and they should invest more in coaches so that if they go for these coaching courses for the IAF level, they will know more on how to, you know, train an athlete to get to different stages. You know, especially maybe they train
professional.
You know, if they use World Record program now, they train person. We just want to start the sport. So there are levels to these things when it comes to, you know, coaching, coaches having knowledge on what to do actually.
I know this exposure when you all share with us now. What you gain outside the country, don't be inside the country.
At the America, they study, they run. So the two they go simultaneously hand in hand. So
and as you talk, I wish you did Nigeria if you not get up. Mama triplets. Come Okay, sharp, just to wrap up right
All
now.
right. So you don't do for inside Lagos for a while now. Waiting be those fun things. Maybe say you don't do so far since you enter lag.
Larry never carry me come out.
Larry, why not carry waka? Carry our champion waka now.
Sure. You just carry me go interview. Only
interview. Now they go bring quarter carry waka now. I beg. You go like go club now. No, get what you now they do and not to do now, right? As an athlete.
Season not finished now, person not rest. So I know they run since January. Where did they pursue me?
You're not supposed to drink alcohol. Now they take alcohol.
I'm not supposed. But these 5 weeks I supposed. But I don't go drink alcohol, but I supposed to do some things.
Larry, no, I beg. If now you may go show face for club, may you see shady balabala things. You know that, sir.
I know carry my card though. I don't tell you now. You carry me.
But I know. So you go your
so
school.
Our Lady of Apostle.
Yeah, we see the whole recession. Like, in fact, the young ones, they are not going to shock. Say, few of them end up as you maybe in a few years time. Now what I thought say for us to stay motivated, we need to see somebody went up for one before. I know say the recession we get since then it did massive and it did heavy. I hope now what you expect though. Like your expectation. I be never your comfortable to do what you do. If you come back to the country, they expect say so person, so this and that.
Even though you know they expect people to do stuff for you back in return because say you do this thing, but I just feel like say if person they do good things, it better will appreciate them. So that way the person self go say okay, I want to do these things, this thing. You know, they ginger me or motivates me to want to do another thing. But when I just close that, I say okay, what you should do now? You have first break one record.
So how many endorsements you don't sign so far since all these winnings?
I'm going to need to email the plug. Now they go tell you that
Wow.
that part.
this one got to be. So, which advice you get for young girls that we won't be like you in the future?
My advice now, me not let anybody talk fear into my dreams. Anything when I set in my mind to do, me not pursue them. It might be hard though, but me not still try. There's no
There's no limit.
There's no. It's not even a limit. There's no harm in trying. Just try. Yes.
Okay.
They say when you meet Presido, you share money. Not true.
But they give us 200 more. I never say a lot too.
Tina.
Sure.
Brother, talk on air now. No one not the let. We supposed to come to you directly. You're supposed to come through the federation. Then before federation.
If you reach my account, I will let you know.
Okay, let us know because they pull it down. When we hear the 200 million, we can't be happy for you. Say at least they might appreciate you. Yeah, so if they not give you 2 years from now, let us know. Can you say they take time? You get. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate saying you stop by. I know say you get a lot of media around to do.
Yeah.
If you give us enough time, we'll talk for an hour. You will reveal a lot of secrets when our great talk or when your management.
The way you even take look out, you know they look my guy.
We'll talk now. We talk. I mean, I don't want you to say I didn't talk anywhere before. but we appreciate you and we hope say you'll continue to make Nigeria proud. Not just yourself, not just your personal and your family, the full country. We're very proud of you and we'll continue to say that ginger will continue.
So before you go now, which Naija song you feel right now? Maybe use them see you off.
Electricity.
Hey,
give the electricity.
Electricity.
Oh yeah, sharp.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.